This is the video for the Sabre audition work. You're gonna start at a right flat with the Sabre with your left hand over grabbing the cage, right hand underneath at the catch tape, and you're going to have just your pointer finger holding on underneath. All other three fingers, your middle, ring, and pinky, are going to be on top of the Sabre. You're going to be standing in a B+ position with your feet, so turn out that right leg in front, and the left leg in back is going to be on the ball of your foot, this way helping you keep balance. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to push into a finger twirl. And so what that means is we're going to twirl the Sabre through all of our fingers, working from our pointer finger down to our middle, then our ring, then our pinky finger. So as that goes up, we push up between our pointer and our middle finger. Our ring finger is going to reach around to the opposite side where our pointer finger is. We'll let go with our pointer and let the Sabre drop down, where we can then put our pinky on the side to then pull it all the way back up to this straight up and down position just between our ring and pinky finger. And from here, we're going to let it roll over the back of our hand until we can grab with our palm with the hilt down and the blade up. So doing that fast, you're going to lift it up and grab. So watch that one more time. We start from the pointer finger to the middle, to the ring, pinky, over the back of the hand and grab. When we do that, we're going to have our left hand out with our palm up. We're going to step into a lunge with our left leg. So what that will look like is from here, you go around and up, and then push up here, and that'll take 4 counts. So this is count 4. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to push everything towards your left. The blade is going to come down as the hilt comes up, and you're going to push that blade down underneath your armpit as you contract your body over. It swings through, and then we bring it all the way up to the other side, where we're going to rest the blade on our right shoulder, grab underneath with our left hand, and we're going to sink into a nice force arch with our body. So for the first 8 counts, we push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do a bottom cone with the blade of the Sabre, and we're going to step forward with our right leg as we do it. So push to the front, bottom cone. And that'll take 4 counts as well, so it's 9, 10, 11, 12. And on 13, we're going to throw a blade triple from this position. And when we do, we're going to step out into second with our left leg, blade triple, and when we catch, we're going to have our left arm out. It's going to turn towards the back. We'll sink into a forced arch going towards the left this time, and we'll lay our head back nice and open just like that, putting our chest up to the sky, and we hit this position for our catch on 16. So that toss all together from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6. From here, we're going to keep the momentum going, push the blade of the Sabre down. Our left leg is going to scoop all the way behind us as our left arm travels with the Sabre to grab underneath our right hand facing the back. That's count 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to let the hilt of the Sabre drop behind you and up, 3, 4. And then we're going to turn back to the front on 5, 6 as we push the hilt down and up, 5, 6. And everything's going to drop down as we bring the hilt into our left hand into a backhand on 7, and we hit a forced arch with our legs yet again. From here, we're going to do a hilt backhand. So it's just like a normal backhand, but instead you're starting in the hilt and you're aiming to catch in the hilt. So you have to make sure that you lift the Sabre just a little bit higher and reach further down with that left hand to grab all the way in the hilt. That happens on count 8, so 8, 9. And you'll realistically catch on 10 because of the faster tempo. So we're here on 10, you squeeze and pull the flat on 11, and dip 12. So then on 13, you will release a toss. You're gonna aim to throw a 5, and underneath it, your body is going to be your left hand on the back of your head, just like this. Your right hand and your right leg are going to push across to the left side and have a nice pointed foot, and you're gonna ronde-jean out and open with that right hand into a second position, where you will then drop your heel and catch in a strong second. So, we do the backhand, 8, 9, 10, pull the flat 11, dip 12, toss on 13, push around 14, 15, 16, and you'll catch flat on